Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
Good afternoon. I'm fine.
All right. So, can you please tell me about your last job?
My last job before is taking care of the baby. At the same time, kung cleaner in the house of family of Malaysian family. So the first one, I'm taking care of the baby, feeding the baby, giving the food, taking a bath, play the baby, the child, and then going outside, play with them, and then give the proper nutritions, give them vitamin.
Hey, so how long you worked with them?
This is 2 years.
For 2 years. Okay. And how many members in the family that you're taking good care of?
This is three only. One child,
How old is
one
this child?
that three one,
3 years
the
old.
child 3 years old,
hmm
and then my madam, and then the wife and the husband,
hmm
Mr.
Okay.
Muhammad.
Okay. And by the way, why you decided not to continue to work with them?
Is I'm willing to work as a babysitter also.
You're willing to work. Okay.
Actually, this family, the baby is already in Malaysia. That's
Mm.
why. But the husband is still her.
So basically, they don't need a nanny anymore since the
Yes,
baby
he don't
is
need.
not here.
Yes, it's
Okay,
not her anymore.
I understand. So, since you're looking for a new job because of that reason,
Yes,
how much would be the minimum
yes.
salary you would ask this time?
I think 2,000 dirham.
Okay, and what is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting? What you like to do most?
Okay, my favorite is cooking, and then second one is playing with the kids,
Okay.
and then making what is this? Like if the baby is already sleeping, I make a sing for them, song for her like that
Mm-hmm.
while sleeping, like
Okay.
lullaby like that.
Yes, right. Okay, and what type of food can you cook?
Okay, I cook. My previous one is Malaysian dish. So for the kids, like good for the health for the kids, like fruits, potato, like that. I mashed potato. I cook that, boil them, and then smash with the
Smash.
potato and then put little bit of oil, little only, not too much because it's kids, not allowed. And then giving fruits, and then also milk like that. So mostly for the kids.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you can cook Malaysian dishes.
Yes.
Yeah, somehow.
Yes.
Okay. And in terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick? How can you tell if he or she is sick?
If the baby is sick, first I give him the thermometer. So I test first how much the temperature. If it is is higher, so it means the baby is not feeling well. And if the baby is crying, I know it's something is it's not. I mean, he's not feeling well like that. So like us, we are Filipino, so we can see if the baby is not feeling well. So mostly you need to have thermometer. That's it.
Okay, great. And how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
The trick is I play with them. I give him the idea, like give him the toys like this, explain with this. After that, I make joke with the baby, and then eat with this. This is vitamins, good for your health, like that. And then I give him so the baby easily will eat like that. Mm.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are cooking,
Okay, what else?
a little bit singing,
Singing. Okay, great.
and then reading for the kids. You need to give him read for them story like that, and that's it.
And how long do you want to work here in UAE?
I think because you're this maybe 3 years like that.
3 years more you want to work here,
Yeah, or more than
or more than.
because
Okay.
I'm still supporting my family, so they need me.
All right, that's wonderful. And do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer, and why?
Okay, I think that I'm a good babysitter helper also because I have a lot of experience. I can prove myself that I can do the job and I can do better than anyone because I have a lot of experience like that. And I have one son.
Okay. Well, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.